With the heating on and being careful not to scald yourself, feel the radiator from the bottom to the top. If there's a little bit of warmth in the bottom of the radiator, but it's cold at the top, then there's a chance that the radiator might just need bleeding. Check out our video on how to bleed a radiator. If the radiator is cold throughout and you have a thermostatic radiator valve, there's a good chance that the pin might just be stuck. I'm going to show you how to fix that now. This is a thermostatic radiator valve. This works by moving a pin up and down, which opens and closes the radiator depending on the temperature of the room. During the summer, because the room is already so warm, the pin can get stuck in the closed position. The first step to fixing the valve is to take the valve head off. To do this, you need to turn the valve up to full. Then simply unscrew the head of the valve to reveal the pin. Then get a set of pliers and work the pin up and down. Once the pin springs back on its own, the valve is fixed. Refit the thermostatic valve head. So once that's done, the radiator should start to warm up. If the radiator is still cold, you might have an airlock in your system. To fix an airlock, turn all the other radiators off, but leave this one on. Give it 5 minutes and the radiator should start to warm up. If the radiator warms up, then your problem's solved and you can turn all the other radiators back on. If it's still not working, then you may need an engineer. Give us a call and we'll come and help.